Ameca just got an update that allows you to reshape its entire identity in a matter of seconds. Now, you can give it a new name, a unique voice, or even an entirely new persona, and instantly, it transforms into something completely different. The Walker S2 from China charges itself and operates continuously without any human involvement. Leju Robotics is releasing factory-ready robots supported by Tencent, and Hyundai is deploying humanoids to perform high-risk welding tasks in real shipyards. All of this is happening right now, so let's dive into it. The AMA from Engineered Arts just got a huge upgrade. You might recognize Ameca as the humanoid robot, famous for its eerily realistic facial expressions. Well, now it's not just about mimicking emotions, it's becoming genuinely functional. Now, it's more than just an impressive display of emotion. It's useful, actually useful. Engineered Arts has launched a new system called ROS, which is not the open-source version, but their custom-built solution. ROS stands for Robot Operating System, and it allows Ameca to perform as a digital employee. You can customize its role, personality, language, and even assign specific knowledge for a job without any coding, all through a browser. In a demo, Will Jackson, the founder of Engineered Arts, showed just how easy it is. Log in to your Tritium account, access the ROS interface, and customize everything you need. Want the robot to speak only French and be named Chloe? Done in seconds. Need Chloe to become the best paint salesperson? Just type that in, add a list of paint colors and activate computer vision, and suddenly, Chloe is confidently recommending paint shades like Sapphire Salute to brighten up a room. And it's seamless. The interface offers 5 key areas: identity, languages, personality, knowledge, and abilities. Each section adjusts how Ameca acts and interacts, and once again, no programming required. It's all handled in the browser. One moment, Ameca could be a tour guide, and the next, it's providing customer support. The best part is the speed and simplicity. Previously, changing a humanoid's role meant rewiring, coding, and hiring developers. Now, it's as simple as dragging, dropping, and deploying. The design is more flexible now too. They now offer desktop versions of Ameca in black, white, or gray, while retaining the same expressive face and full functionality. Engineered Arts is making Ameca accessible to businesses, museums, and even schools. This is a significant development because humanoid robots are beginning to transition from being just impressive to genuinely practical. It's amazing how far Ameca has come in just 2 days. Remember when self-driving cars seemed like a thing of the future back in 2019? Today, over 400,000 Teslas drive themselves every day. And, while no one was looking, AI adoption skyrocketed by 270%. Back then, using AI in the workplace seemed absurd, but now companies using it report a 15% boost in productivity. McKinsey predicts that AI will add $13 trillion to the global economy by 2030. However, there's a catch. Over 375 million workers may need to switch careers, and future jobs will require significant AI expertise. So here's the opportunity. This weekend, Outskill, the world's largest AI education platform, is hosting a 2-day AI Mastermind. It's 16 hours of practical training, covering tools like Make.com, Claude, and Agentic Hub. You'll learn prompt engineering, building AI agents, automating tasks, and using AI in applications like Excel and Slides. Normally, this training would cost $895, but I've partnered with Outskill to give away 1,000 free seats for the next 72 hours. Over 4 million people have already attended, many of whom launched successful AI startups. If you attend both days, you'll receive bonuses worth $5,000, including a prompt Bible, a money-making roadmap, and a custom AI toolkit builder. Clear your schedule for this Saturday and Sunday from 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. and secure your seat using the link in the description. Also, join the WhatsApp group for updates. Don't miss out. Now, let's talk about the Walker S2. It autonomously swaps its own battery and manages its energy strategy. This robot is a major step forward in autonomous operation. UB Tech has developed the Walker S2, which can change its battery without any human involvement. The big breakthrough here is the robot's ability to swap its battery automatically. There are no cables, no charging ports, and no downtime. The Walker S2 walks over to a station, removes its drained battery, docks it, installs a new one, and carries on, all in under 3 minutes. It's already being tested in live environments in factories like NIO, Zeer, and BYD. The system has a primary battery and a backup, so if the main battery malfunctions, the robot switches to the backup seamlessly. There's no rebooting, no memory loss, and no delay. The Walker S2 can also calculate whether it needs a battery swap or just a recharge, depending on its current task. This dynamic energy management system allows the robot to operate 24/7 without interruptions. What makes it scalable is that UB Tech didn't use custom locked-in battery technology. They built a standardized battery platform, so fleets of robots can all use the same modules. UB Tech also has a cloud-based system called Brainet, which coordinates the actions of multiple robots. The superbrain in the cloud handles scheduling, task distribution, and optimizing routes, while each robot subbrain manages real-time decisions and movement. These robots don't just move aimlessly, they collaborate in real time, ensuring smooth operations on the factory floor. The superbrain uses a multimodal reasoning model trained on manufacturing data, and each robot is equipped with sophisticated features like semantic SLAM for navigation and agile manipulation for handling objects. The goal of UB Tech is to enhance efficiency and autonomy, and they've secured major partnerships, including one with Huawei. This partnership brings in 5G network support, edge AI, and cloud computing, key elements that will help scale their operations to hundreds of factories. Leju Robotics, also from China, is working on humanoid robots backed by Tencent. They've been building robots like Alos and QEO for years, and they recently introduced a new smaller humanoid called Rowan 2. These robots are designed for a range of industrial applications, and the company has strong backing from major investors. Leju Robotics focuses on creating adaptable workers for specific industries, offering a dual-track strategy. They aim to build both research and development facilities as well as complete industrial service ecosystems. Meanwhile, Hyundai is working with Leju Robotics to deploy humanoid robots in real-world shipyards. These robots are being tested for heavy assembly work and high-heat welding tasks. The first prototype is expected by the end of 2026, with commercial use starting in 2027. Apparently, Atlas is not yet ready to adapt quickly enough for the specialized tasks required in shipyards, highlighting Leju Robotics' rapid development. Humanoid robots in industrial settings are solving real labor issues, from dangerous welding to repetitive tasks. These robots are becoming more than just impressive technology. They're solving critical problems in industries with labor shortages. We're entering a new era. The flashy demos and facial expressions were just the beginning. These robots are learning, thinking, charging themselves, and now they're showing up for work. So the question remains, are we building helpers, or are we creating something we might not be able to control? What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe.